The spectacle in the sky is on. Local astronomy buffs gathering at Griffith Observatory this morning to experience the Ring of Fire, the solar eclipse.
Yeah, the eclipse won't appear over this part of the world again until 2046.
Wow.
A long time out.
I'm getting kind of sad, Dad.
Why?
Because they're about to pick up the girls.
It's because I'm leaving to my nana's.
Dali, you're leaving a little sister, coming back a big sister. Love you. You're gonna push me.
Bye, girls.
Bye.
I love you.
They're gone, guys. I miss them already.
It's for real now.
Ghost is gone too.
We'll have a baby in like 48 hours, guys.
The next day.
This is the third time we're leaving our house to have a kid. The first time, I was sitting right there getting my hair cut because I was trying to grow my hair out for the first time. It didn't really work because of traditions, but this time we got it done. And Dali. 1, 2, 3.
Oh,
There it goes.
yay!
I feel like I'm going to Disneyland.
Really? Ay, tengo miedo. And we're here.
Dun dun. Dun 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 dun.
What the heck?
Lonchera, damn! I know what I'm gonna be.
I'm gonna send you down. The baby's born. They said, get the fuck out of here. You're not ready to have a baby. They sent us home.
They sent us home because there ain't no room right now. So, call them back later. Check if there's any availabilities in the hotel. It's about 3 hours later since we left the hospital with the news that we could not be let into the room because there's too many people there. We've been out here waiting, went to McDonald's, got a little bit of Starbucks, and we kind of just been hanging out in the parking lot. We're hoping that we catch a spot sometime during midnight hours, and sometimes by the morning they'll be pushing.
According to the nurse, there's like 6 girls in there, and she said 3 of them are being dramatic and they're probably gonna go home. So those 3 girls need to go home already.
Yeah, they need to get out of here.
They need to go home already because we are like ready. I'm ready for these drugs. Give me the Pitocin.
So we're gonna wait here for a little bit, and then we're gonna go to the restroom, and then maybe we'll go walk around for a little bit, explore the hospital.
Yeah, maybe like an hour of walking, and then hopefully. Okay, so we got a room. It's been, what time is it? 12?
I think we were in the waiting room for maybe, what, like, 5 hours? They got her a bed around 1, and then at what time they brought you over here?
Oh, they brought me over here like at 9 in the morning.
So we've been here for a while. They said that maybe around 5 they were going to start heading to her actual room where she's going to be giving labor, and then hopefully at some point, maybe by the middle of the night, give her the not epidural, what's it called?
The Pitocin.
The Pitocin to start the eviction.
Daphne, you're gonna get it, girl.
Couple hours have passed by, and Dea's water has broken, gushed out of her like a river.
That was cool.
So yeah, that never happened before.
It's coming out.
Yeah, as we speak, it's still gushing out. And I ate a little bit of McDonald's now. I'm enjoying a nice iced coffee, pretty strong. Okay, and here we go. It is 3:50 54. And Dea just felt her first contraction. It's 10:04 on a Sunday, and Dea is feeling it.
Full blown labor.
Where are you at, Mom? From 0 to 4.
I'm like a 4.
Hurts a little bit more.
Yeah.
Don't worry, you still have 6 more levels to climb.
Oh,
It's just a waiting game. Just waiting.
nothing going on.
Nothing really going on. We're just hanging out on our phones. Really, we've been on TikTok and Instagram all day.
I know, I feel like cross-eyed already. Watching so much TikTok.
Like, there's really nothing much to do. The TVs are not on. I guess maybe I could find something on Amazon Prime if you want to watch something. But I don't think you're going to pay attention because the contractions are here. Let me see your contraction face. Ooh.
Wait, you're mean. Oh, look. The new batas have a little...
Oh, the new 2023 batas are in.
The 2023 batas are in. They have a little pocket with a chapstick.
Come with the chapstick. I guess let me give you a tour of the room. Okay, guys. So as you come into the room here, if you're gonna have a baby here at White Memorial, you get this nice, wide open room. They'll start off at the left. You get a sink to wash your hands. Well, not you, the nurses. Gloves, some medical stuff. This is where they put your baby after they're born so they can shape his head because he's got a little cone head going on. They do the little weighing here. And they check all the toes and the fingers here in this section. And over here they have the computer where they have all of her stuff hooked up. This tells them every time they have a contraction, the baby's breathing, heartbeat, all of that good stuff that I really don't know what it says, but I am guessing that's what it says. This is where the wires lead. I'm guessing this is like an older version of this. I don't know. And then here we have Dea. Hopefully she has the baby soon. I really don't know what the time over there is for. Maybe the time that she has been given birth for. Maybe. This is where the oxytocin is coming through and IV bags. We have a little nightstand here for more stuff in case you're here for a long time. One of the areas the dads could hang out or sleep is this one. We have the couch over here. And I believe this reclines all the way and turns into a bed. Pretty comfy, brand new. So it has the IKEA tag on it. And yeah, this is the room you will be getting if you come and give birth here at White Memorial. Out of the 3 we've been to, what do you rate this one, Mom? Been St. Francis, East LA Doctors Hospital, and White Memorial.
White Memorial, St. Francis, coming in close second because St. Francis was it. Doctor's Hospital, don't
go
even
there.
go there unless you want to die.
Don't go there. Not go there.
Don't go there.
If they're telling you go in there to give your baby, run. Run, do not go there.
Yeah.
You're probably gonna most likely end up here in White Memorial, where
Yeah.
you should be. It's now 12 o'clock midnight, and things are getting a little bit more serious now. Dea just got her epidural, they gave her medication, and yeah, we're getting closer and closer. Okay, so while we're here waiting for the baby to come out, I'm gonna give you a couple useful tips for all the guys out there while they're waiting for their wives to give birth or their significant other. This is coming from a person that's been here about 3 times now, so you know, little experience here. The first thing I'm gonna let you know that I think that you guys should know is that you are here to be kind of like the voice of calm. Okay, because she's gonna be all crazy in her head, like, oh my God, I'm freaking out. You need to just relax, remind her to relax, remind her to rest, to breathe. That's the first thing that's pretty much the most important thing you're doing here, because you're not doing anything. You're not lifting anything, you're not moving anything. You don't know what the fuck you're doing. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just here calming her down. Number 2, I suggest that you get some sleep before the baby's here, because once the baby's here, you're not gonna wanna go to sleep. You're gonna wanna hang out with the baby, and sometimes, like today's case, you could be in the hospital for like 2 days, and you never know when the baby's coming. So when you can, go to sleep. She might get mad at you, but trust me, whenever the baby's here and she's tired and you're able to take over, it's a good time. Third is, I forgot what third was. Bring stuff to do. Bring a book, bring your laptop. Bring an extra phone charger. Last thing you want is not to be able to contact your family that are outside the hospital to let them know how things are going on. So phone charger, get some sleep, and be the voice of calmness. We're still waiting. It's 10:40 now. In the morning. On a Monday. We've been here since Saturday afternoon. So we're working along, chugging along. Chugging. And I really don't know how long we've been here. It's Monday, 3 o'clock in the afternoon. It has dilated about 6.5. Slow, but it's moving. And Mom's eating ice.
I have to keep myself hydrated because my lips are so dry. But it's moving. And she's called me stretchy.
There's Elastigirl. It's dark in here because we're trying to get some sleep, but anybody has ever had a baby know
There's no sleeping.
There's no sleeping. The nurses come in and out, checking the baby, they're checking mom, and making sure all the fluids are still working. And yeah.
Six pounds, 13.5 ounces.
Don't cry. No, don't cry. Okay, where's the girls? Let's go, Dad.
Let's go.
We're out of here. Ready?
Yeah.
All right.